Item number SCP-4974. Object Class Safe. SCP-4974 is to be contained in an insulated storage unit at Site-22, which is to be kept under guard by one member of security personnel. Any individuals performing testing or physical inspection of SCP-4974 must wear full body protective gear in order to prevent severe electrocution. Description: SCP-4974 is an anomalous organism aesthetically identical to the character of Pikachu from the Pokémon media franchise. Despite appearing to be a rodent organism upon exterior examination, interior examination shows that SCP-4974's body contains no bone, muscle, or blood, instead being composed entirely of a bright yellow substance similar in consistency and texture to a sea sponge. While in containment, SCP-4974 has been observed to perform the following actions: cocking its head and saying the word Pikachu, jumping in place, saying the word Pikachu, and then jumping in place again, running in a small circle, projecting an electrical field of variable severity in the 1 meter area immediately surrounding it. SCP-4974 has not been observed to move outside of performing these specific actions. Thus far, observation has shown no specific pattern to when SCP-4974 performs these actions, or in what order, and they do not appear to be responsive to any specific stimuli. Furthermore, SCP-4974 has shown no signs of recognizing or even perceiving events that occur around it. For these reasons, it is currently unclear whether SCP-4974 is sapient or even possesses a consciousness at all. Discovery: SCP-4974 was discovered from a crime scene in White Falls, New Mexico by members of the local police department. As these officers reported their findings among monitored channels, Foundation agents were quickly dispatched and retrieved SCP-4974 without further incident. The crime scene in which SCP-4974 was originally found, a suburban residence in the area, contained the following: the corpse of local woodworker Paul Terrence in the living room, cause of death judged as suicide from gunshot wound to the temple. 6 popped and slightly burned balloons throughout the house. Inspection showed them to read "Happy Birthday." A copy of modern alchemical text, The Progeny of Paracelsus by A.A. Guilford. The book was found in the basement along with 3 other materials. 322 copies of the Game Boy game Pokémon Yellow, 61 of which have been partially ground into dust using a nearby mortar and pestle. 6 Erlenmeyer flasks containing a compound composed of previously mentioned dust, broken down sea sponge, and human semen. 3 horse wombs, 2 of which contain objects resembling malformed and inactive instances of SCP-4974. The third was empty. The corpse of Paul Terrence's 8-year-old son Adam Terrence in his bedroom. Cause of death judged as cardiac arrest following exposure to an electrical current.